Horrific videos are emerging from Shanghai as the city is facing the biggest ever COVID outbreak. Videos show residents screaming from their windows after being forbidden from leaving houses for over a week now. No food, no water, no help. A city of 23 million people is on the brink of starvation. Looting has broken out in Shanghai as the city buckles under the world's most brutal lockdown. Here's more.
A terrifying scene in China's biggest city. Citizens screaming and wailing from their windows after endless days of a total lockdown. Videos like these leaking out of Shanghai depict an unthinkable, apocalyptic situation in one of the world's most advanced metropolises. Disturbing proof that the COVID pandemic is far from over and a new wave has brought a mega global city to its knees. Like something out of a dystopian science fiction movie, Chinese authorities have deployed drones to broadcast an ominous message. Control the soul's desire for freedom and do not open the windows to sing. This behavior has the risk of spreading the epidemic. The phrase, control the soul's desire for freedom, is a reference to a controversial remark made by a Chinese lawmaker during the first wave of the COVID pandemic in 2020, when the Chinese government imposed stringent lockdown measures in Wuhan, ground zero of the coronavirus outbreak. Things are so bad in Shanghai, videos emerging from the city show large groups of people raising slogans, cornering officials wearing hazmat suits before looting a supermarket. An open riot-like situation in several locations. The unsettling videos form a rare montage of public anger and pushback against the totalitarian Chinese government's ironclad anti-COVID measures. All of Shanghai has been locked down since April the 1st. The eastern third of the city has been locked down even longer, since March the 28th. The national government has sent in 2,000 military medics and 10,000 medical workers from other provinces to help in the fight against the COVID wave, fueled by the Omicron variant. The strain of testing and treatment is taking a heavy toll on healthcare professionals too. A video shared on Twitter shows a doctor being rushed out of an isolation facility carried by patients after he collapsed while performing duties. Due to China's zero-tolerance policy towards COVID and the strict restrictions, the Consulate General of India in Shanghai has also shut down, forcing Indians to depend entirely on the Beijing embassy. Under zero COVID, all 26 million inhabitants of Shanghai underwent mass testing. Anyone infected would have to be taken from their homes and quarantined. All close contacts of the infected have also been taken away and isolated. The rest have been barred from leaving their homes or apartment buildings, leading to these scary scenes. Plans called for 4-day closures of districts while residents were tested. That changed to an indefinite citywide shutdown after case numbers soared. Many residents of Shanghai have struggled to arrange for food deliveries to their homes during the lockdown. Children, including toddlers and infants, have sometimes been taken from their parents to be quarantined separately, although the Shanghai government is now starting to offer family quarantines for children with special needs. City officials have been apologizing publicly since last week and promising to improve the food supplies. The country that gave COVID to the world is seeing its biggest city reel from the latest wave. Bureau Report, India Today.